Tripura Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha arrived in Guwahati on Monday evening to attend the high-profile swearing-in ceremony of the new Assam government. The oath-taking ceremony is scheduled for May 12, 2026 at the Veterinary College Field in Khanapara. Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma is set to take charge as the Chief Minister of Assam for a second consecutive term following the NDA's landslide victory in the 2026 Assembly election. The visit underscores the strengthening ties between the two northeastern states under the National Democratic Alliance banner. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and several chief ministers from various states are expected to grace the occasion. Massive preparations are underway in Guwahati to accommodate thousands of supporters and dignitaries. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha's presence at the event is seen as a significant gesture of solidarity.
और मैं हमारे जो हिंदू को मैं कॉन्फ्रेंस करना चाह रहा हूँ उनके नेतृत्व में जिस तरह ये असम आगे बढ़ रहा है माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का ब्लेसिंग से ये जरूर फिर से और एक बार आगे
सर झारखंड को छोड़ के पूरी पूर्वांचल और उत्तर पूर्वांचल अभी बीजेपी टेस्ट बन गए तो इस बार क्या
आप ये तो धीरे धीरे आप पूरा जियोग्राफी अगर देखोगे सभी जगह में आप गेरुआ गेरुआ ही दिखाई देगा झारखंड भी आएगा चिंता मत करो.
Upon his arrival at the Guwahati airport, Dr. Saha was received by senior officials and party leaders. He is expected to hold informal discussions with other regional leaders tonight ahead of tomorrow's formal proceedings. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.